Hello everyone. In this practice work, I would show you what to complete uh, in terms of a C project. So the C project exercise week 3.1 and C project exercise 4. So this is two projects from the previous week. I just simply a little bit updated them and rename it. So you need to create C project for this project and for this as well. In order to use multi-project files, I would like to show you how to do it using DevStudio. So let's start your DevStudio. And I would like to show you already I created project before using this approach. For example, for week 3, I created a project demo. And I would like to open, for example, a dev file. And what is dev file? Dev file is project demo project. Has three functions: main C, which has function main, hello function in header. This is function definition, and hello function C. This is uh, function details what you declare in the header. So how to create this project from the scratch? It's very straightforward. You can, for example, close this current project and press new project with file project. Then select console application, C project, my project default. You can rename it project, for example, 10, or better to name it 3_1 because this is week 3 right now. Press OK. And right now it's important to go to week 3 and create this folder for this project using new project 3_1. So when you go to project 3_1, you will be able to save this file with extension dev in this project. And yeah, so right now, if you check your project 3_1, this project dev will be created here. So I guess this is the most important part I explain you. Only one thing I would like to explain you how to add files. So if you expand it, you see one file already here. You need one more file here, for example, new file, and get it from system to file entitled edit already. So rename this file, for example, to hello function, hello f dot header, for example, right? Again, right click, new file, and then you see another title, and rename this function to hello function dot c. So once you add it here, and it will be 3 files together. So if you run and execute right now, make sure to save these files in the same folder as you have before, because it's project 3_1. To go to this project and save hello header and hello C. So because it's empty files, nothing really happened, but the point is, so these files will be here in project 3_1, and these files will be on the top, plus objective file and plus executable file will be created in this project. Okay, I'm not going to create a full project. I just show you how to create file structure, but I guess you can type here the content in the same way as I did in another project, right? If you want to see it again, I can say project 3.1 and show project that I just created before, project demo. And this project demo already have this hello function created. So header file, this is definition for the function. Hello function C, this is declaration, the actual body, and main C using this function to call function from our library. You see how we include file from our library in double quotation. Hello function header. Compile and run. And you see program works as expected. Okay, so it was a short video how to create multi-file project in DevStudio. So please create 2 projects as required and submit in Slate for week 3 practicum. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.